You are lying. I want to see. I want to see if I'm here my voice. No, it's in a picture now. I'm not trying to do it and highlights. Oh, you're in the middle here? In front of Rick, the tail. She didn't want to that. She didn't want to that color. Ink. She didn't want to strip ink. I hear ink. Oh, but look at that. Welcome, guys. Let me fix my camera. Hey, Jaita, welcome back to Jill in the Kitchen. Jaita, long time, good to see you. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Hi, Glorious Platter. Thanks for tuning in. Jaita, that's a long time, baby. How are you? Okay, Gloria, that's good. That's okay, sweetie. Enjoy yourself. So, Jaita, how are you? Haven't seen you in a while, girl. You posted any video? You did? Oh, I'm so sorry. Start something new. Start something else. Start a new one. Are you hearing me? Trying to retrieve it. Okay. So, in the meanwhile, start something else. Hi, Mecca. How are you doing? Life with Mecca. How are you doing, honey? I am so sorry. I did not. I didn't get the chance to win that money the other day. All that money you were counting out. Miss Brown, what's up? What's up? Mwah, mwah. How are you? I'm good. Guys, good to see you. So listen. Oh, thank you. Film Fit support Jill in the kitchen, Han. Yeah, right. Look at Jayita just start another channel in the meanwhile. And if you get that one back, it's good. So just start something new. I'm here, guys. Oh, okay. So that's the new one. Okay, cool. So I guess I'll see your name so I can look on it. So get working, okay? YouTube is not easy, but you know how it goes, right? Used to have those early morning lives. You probably need to go back and do some more early morning live. Okay. So Miss Brown, I share me out, guys, so I can get some more people over here. All right, so share me out, Jata. I know Miss Brown probably share me out already. Share me out, guys. Oh, Miss Brown, this this is an old top. This is so old, but it never get old. You probably seen me in it before. Yeah, you work hard on it. Yeah, I'm working hard. Long time first thing me do. I know. But listen, your girl Jewel is really tired. I'm just trying. So the guys at work on my weekend job, they keep on saying, "Hey, Monique, sweetie, how are you, honey? Monique, you know I miss you. I wish you were here helping me. Oh, Tiffy, share your life. So sorry, tired and sleepy. Okay, share. Thank you so much, Tiffy. Share me out. Share me out. Thank you. I know the drill. Sometimes I get that tired to see. Have to be drinking power malt, extra energy, because I need it. I need it. I'm really tired. I'm cooking, but I'm tired because you see, let me get some air in here. You see, tomorrow. So the guys on my weekend job keep on saying, Miss Wright, when are you gonna cook? When are you gonna cook? I long to eat your food. And you remember when it was my birthday in October, I cook some brown stew chicken and rice and peas, and so they request that, oh, cook that. No, but this is bringing it in platter, so you know, right? So I have to be drinking to keep myself good. Oh, you need a good body massage, Timothy? Okay, go get it, girl. Go get it. You deserve it. So see, I'm trying to drink this to like give me some energy because I'm gonna prep tonight and then get up tomorrow morning and finish the cooking. So I'm gonna cook my peas. So I'm gonna put my peas on to cook. Nice round red. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to put oil in my Dutch pot to fry my chicken. Yeah, I'm making a lot. Quite a bit, yeah. Not 2 pounds of rice, more. So may I wash the peas. Right, so I'm gonna put the peas in. What is going on right now? I need to turn it on. Huh? So what? What? Why did it go wrong? What wrong thing? I didn't turn it on. How come it went on? Hey Joelle, how are you doing? Good to see you. Thanks for coming. Oh my God. Oh, it's Joelle Sunday. Oh, it's our Saturday night. Share me out, Joelle. Send some of your friends over here. Share me out. Yeah. So I'm sipping my beer. How come this started running and I didn't turn it on? Oh my God, go eat. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and you're starving. Morning for them. So that is my chicken. And you never ever rub up the chicken, but anyway. I'm gonna put it on top for pretty looks. Pretty looks good. I'm gonna get done. So, see, welcome everyone. Welcome. So, who is this? See the chicken over there, Jerita and Miss Brown. A pat of chicken over there. I'm gonna try frying all of these chicken tonight. See? And tomorrow morning I wake up and do the finished touch. Okay, wait for my dinner. Yes, wait. That's what you need to do. Don't eat, just wait. Wait for mine. Yeah. So I'm gonna fry chicken over here. I'm waiting for my Dutch pot to get hot. My platter, this is my big old skillet. Mm. Hey, King Morgan, welcome to Joe in the kitchen. How are you? Good to have you. Ah, pumpkin punch, nice. It was too good, you had to sample it. Hey, Mama Afur, how are you? Welcome. Thanks for tuning into my live. Hey, Gloria. So, guys, I am just prepping. As you see my caption, right? I'm just prepping. I'm gonna fry some chicken for brown stew in the morning, and I'm cooking peas for rice and peas, and I'm gonna make a tossed salad. I'm gonna make a macaroni salad in the meanwhile. So, how is everyone doing? Yes, Mom, Mama, for it's going to be delicious. Right? You have to prep like this, Joel. Yes, you have to prep. It makes it much more easier. You take off a lot of the stress when you prep the day before, the night before, not the day. Just prep. Cut up the onions, cut up the tomatoes. Just prep. It makes great big difference. Yeah, it makes it cut down the work pressure. So I cook my macaroni. I cook my macaroni, my elbow macaroni already. So I'm gonna make the salad. I'm gonna be over here, so I'll put you there. So fine. Here, this is what I want you to look at. I can't make anybody new come. So I can't say here. So you tell me when new people come on, so I can't say hi to Somebody's talking to you. Huh? So what? Thumbs me up. Give me a thumbs up, please. Hey, Michi, how are you? Thanks for coming. Michi, dog. Drop me my knife. Oops. Alright, so guys, you know you have to sift the peas. Oh, nice. Musha Empire. How are you? Good. Nothing burns so bad like steam. Eh? Huh? Huh? I can't hear you. What? Oh. Which one? You have to come here so I can't hear you. Mushi, of course you can get dinner, but you have to come tomorrow because it's only gonna start cooking tomorrow and finish 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning, okay? Let's sink my peas, people. I sharpen my knife. These knives very dull. Are you sure? Send Mushi over here, Mika. Good. Last night I messed this thing up. This cutting board, it never make the chop, and I was chopping like crazy. Mitchie Boo, up and running. Share me out, Mitchie. I haven't done a live in a quite a while, so I'm really excited to do this live. All right. Cutting up sweet pepper, green pepper to put in my macaroni salad. Anybody come that I have to say hello to my Ashani? Can you read my comment, please? I can't hear you. Ashani, sit here. Okay. Anybody say anything that I have to welcome? If you see me kind of dicing, small dice, green pepper. Can you imagine if I leave this cooking for tomorrow? Kimoy Dixon, how are you? What's on the menu, honey? It's gonna be rice and peas, brown stew chicken. It's gonna be figure Z chicken and mac and cheese with tossed salad. And I have to start frying now. Huh? I can't hear you. It's macaroni salad. Can you imagine if I don't start this cooking tonight? So, I seasoned this chicken from last night, and then now I'm gonna have cook them from tonight for tomorrow. See, guys, it's a lot of chicken. You can see, lot. And I'm working tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the dot. So this is like when you do Jamaica fricassee chicken the way we used to cook it. You know, no soy sauce, no browning. When you're frying it, you just let it fry naturally and get that nice golden brown color. And then you cook it down in a sauce and make a nice sauce for it. Shani, come here. Oh, this one like the other back one, no? The back one. I want the back one to like the back fire. Alright. Look dark, turn the light on yourself. You gotta put it. Which one do you want to turn on? That back one. Chicken back one. Is this too dark? Turn it down a little bit, it's too bright. Can't turn down from there. I think it's very remote. The white remote. What is the white remote? Turn it on, huh? Yes, battery in here though. Eh? Turn it down, it's too high. Not moving. You could be too. There's a small.
How is it looking?
See, look, come look. It's probably because of fat to it.
No, that's not why.
Eh? Eh? Don't close nothing actually. What do you think it is? Hmm?
I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know.
It has a smoky to it, don't? Yeah, too bright. Ooh, I can't see anything.
No, you're not going to see nothing right there if the light is on.
Hey Tracy, how are you? Saturday. Happy Saturday to you too. What's going on with you? It's good. It's okay. You think so? Johnny, you have to help me out here. So we can't see anything here. So. Like I'm gonna be in here all night tonight. You smell it? You have a good nose, Joel. I know you have a good nose. You can smell from far. So I'm making as I say, I'm dicing bell peppers for my macaroni salad. Johnny, do me a favor, please. Get the ladder and take the chime pan from up here, so that one. I'm gonna make the salad into it. Take down, bring the ladder and take down the chime pan from it. The big pudding pan. And stuff in here, don't. Hey guys, if I didn't call, hope I called to everybody. Thanks for coming, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Yes. Share me out, guys, if you can. Share me out so I can get 1 million over here. I haven't been live for a long time now. Maybe all tomorrow then kind of in a stuff fried chicken. Oh my god. I don't get there yet, guys. I need time. Take a while, especially like when they don't have any color. Hey, Miss Brown. Peas is cooking. You're a stupid man. My eyes are burning from the onion. Hey, who is here? Richie. Hey, Chef Ricardo. Welcome, 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 Chef. Good to have you. Hi, Chef. Welcome, welcome, welcome. First time I see you in my life. I'm so happy to see you. Chef Ricardo, big up yourself. Welcome, my chef, top chef. I thought you still had really my stuff, man. I'm cutting onions. I'm burning like crazy. So I'm doing onions and green pepper. Yes, Jason, definitely. Okay, Jason, I'll leave you some. You know, at first I didn't know it was Jason. I was Jason Maker. Of course, Jason, you're gonna get some, the biggest plate. So onion burning me, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Just remember to give me that thumbs up, guys. Chicken coming to come. Look, nice brown color. Nice. They're coming, right? So I'm going to turn this set. I love the color. Wow, look at it. Let me turn my camera down so you can see the pot. Nice color. Can you see chicken color coming up nice? Chef, you know about them frigassee chicken here, right, Chef? Yeah, that part of the fire is very hot, so those are the parts getting done. Put it back over here. I can barely see my eyes burning me from the smoke. Sorry for the shaking. Yes, chef, it's rice and peas cooking tomorrow. Rice and peas. So I'm gonna serve some platter tomorrow at the job. So I'm prepping it tonight to wake up tomorrow morning and finish. So I'm gonna brown the chicken, leave it on the stove top, cook the peas, season it up, cook my coconut, and tomorrow morning when I wake up, I just put in the rice, cook down the chicken. So I'm making a tossed salad too. I'm making a tossed salad and I'm making a mac and cheese, not mac and cheese, pasta salad. So that's what's up happening up in the kitchen, up in a Joe kitchen. Did you eye burning me? All right. So I just cooked my elbow and here it is. I know. See? Just cook the elbow macaroni and I'm gonna do the salad now. Make the salad. So I'm gonna make everything nice and fresh. Yes, chefs. Chef, I'm learning from you, chef. All right. Right here, right now. Actually, I'm gonna need one glove when you finish. So this is the amante pesto. So I'm gonna put my onion and my green pepper, bell pepper on. You see, I don't know. This is not my job. My daughter Sasha Gay always make it, but she dissed me there today. So I'm gonna have to do it on my own. So guys, share me out. Let the whole YouTube know that big things going on over June. Let's send in some people over here. Share me out, guys, if you can. That's a lot of chicken, huh? All tomorrow, them time is still frying. It's just a dozen chicken, only because they cut up fine, but it looks so much. Yes, with that said, that's one thing with chicken. When some fry and it start get light, you can put more in the pot. Hey, Craig. Actually, you're not telling me when new people come on in. That's what I tell you I wanted for you to look because I can't see. Welcome, Craig. How are you doing? Long time. Good to see you. Welcome. I can't see if you don't tell me. Huh? I, yeah, but you said good evening. I need to welcome everybody. Good first. Give me greetings on now. If this thing working, though. Huh? It's not working. You know what? Give me two green peas. Okay, so this is how Mama used to cut it, and now I can't find my thing getting messed up. So I'm gonna have to cut it how Grandma cut it. Cut the tin with knife. Oh my God. So, this knife is not good, though, you know. Huh? That's when you whisper, I can't hear it. Eh? What? Which knife I should do it with you? Hey, guitar professionals, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Shani, I need to know. Some of these people, the first I've seen them coming here, so I need to at least acknowledge them. Those I need to know. I using the wrong knife, which is the right knife. Huh? The what? The pointed one break off in it. My corn and my green peas. Hi guys, welcome, welcome. I miss you. Thank you so much for coming in. Hmm? The what? Eh? Yeah, old school. Yes, that's how Mama used to do. I don't know what happened to my opener. It's not working. So I have to find a way out. This is how Mama used to open it up. She probably still do. So how is everybody Saturday going? Oh my God, these knife, they're the worst. Huh? I can't hear it. Oh, I didn't want two corn, two green peas. Yeah, what happened? So what? Right, Miss Brown? Sometimes you can't even find the stuff they might have a rush, you know? You're rushing and you can't find it. Then Terry. All right. Draining it. My corn and my green peas. My whole sweet peas and whole corn. Let's drain it. Ooh, it's hot in here. AC on over there, son? Eh? The up, eh? Why you not turn on the AC? I can't feel no ear. I turn on the window and open the window. Stop the window some more. Hey, Jennifer's blog. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Remember to give me the like. Welcome, welcome, Jennifer. Welcome to my live stream. Thank you so much for coming in. Cheer me out, please. Remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. I was in the kitchen when you went live, so me and you doing the same thing. I'm making most of the steak laugh, but Lord, I have my green peas and fast food. Oh my God, that's what we think I like, Miss Brown. Cool, nice, nice. Very cool. That's so cool. Impressive. You see, I was premiering something else and I decided, so you know what, let's do the live instead. Yeah. Eh? Actually, you have to sit here. I can't hear you. Hi, Teacher P. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome, Teacher P. Thank you so much for coming in. Eh? Oh, Jennifer, what's the menu? Rice and peas and brown stew, chicken, fricassee chicken, um, not mac and cheese. What is it? Macaroni salad and tossed salad. Miss Brown, tell them what's the menu, please. Huh? Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Teacher P is always here. Okay, please do. You have the address, honey. Do you have the address? Well, you have to come tomorrow because this is tomorrow. It's gonna be finished. Okay. Some of the chicken fry are ready, and I'm taking them out. I think I put a little bit too much oil. Okay, get in there. So can you imagine the amount of chicken out tonight in a bed? And then take out some of the oil. Less oil fry quicker. Hey, chef, you still around? Chef, you staying up late? Oh, chef is a late chef, you know. Wake up already and going. I think I put too much oil. I'm gonna take out some because fry better, when the oil is less oil. If you need more, then I will always put that oil. I thought if you believe I can't hear you, make a sudden mistake. Can't hear you from so far. I cannot hear you. I only hear your voice, but I don't hear what you say. If you wish for me to hear you, can't come up here. Tell me what's going on. Guys, I soon come to you. Give me a minute. Let me put some chicken in. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Jennifer say what? Yeah, but it's not cooked yet. Mr. Jennifer lives in Philippines. Yeah. Hey Jennifer, Jennifer, I can send you some, but you have to give me the address and more. Over, it's tomorrow, okay? It's only prepping today. Look, start the chicken. You know when you brown them down and then you're gonna cook them down. Don't Chef know and Miss Brown and Mitchie and Teacher P know this type, right? Yes. All right, so let's get it going, guys. So, um, Shani, I'm gonna need the gloves for me. I think I'm gonna use my hand and mix it up, so I need the gloves. So I'm gonna add some mayonnaise to this. Bring me gloves. This is tomorrow morning too. Not this glove, the cooking, the other one. Nice, right? Nice, nice, nice. So just going to put on gloves to mix up this elbow what do you call it? Pasta salad. Put on my gloves, guys. My clear gloves. Oh my God, it's a good thing when you can help yourself though, because it's Sasha. Always make my pasta salad, and she said, "Oh, I'm busy today, can't do it." But good thing I was the one who teach her today. Because then you know what? Good thing I mean teacher. Let's try to come here 1 minute, baby. Come here. Come here. Scrape out all of that from it, please. All of that. All of that. Get a small spoon. Put all of this. Where you pulling this away from? All of this. Where you pulling it? Rinse that, please. Rinse. Scrape everything. All of it. Everything. Everything, everything, everything. So it's a good thing when you can help yourself, guys, because you know what? Sasha usually makes my pasta salad, but she said she's not available, and I'm left stranded, but not so stranded because I can do it myself. I taught her how to make it. It's a good thing when you can help yourself now. It don't leave you in the dark. We need black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, or white pepper up here, so two. All right, get a small spoon and maybe taste one little bit of this. See what I want. Put everything in there. All of it. It looks good. Those people never taste mine, never make them. I always taste it. I want them to say this time, oh, that one is bad than the one before. Then after Sasha, you lose the job. All right, come.
They always talk about it.
Eh?
They always talk about it.
They always say them love it.
Yes, sir. Something like
All right, come now. It's all right, that's good now. Get it, let me taste it. Give me a little bit, you know, spoon. Trying to stop now.
look, you're always all of me.
It's all right, I put more. Just give me a little spoon to taste it. Rinse this spoon. Let's do the test. So let me taste it. Let me taste it, guys, to see how this smack doing. Mm. Mm. You don't want nothing. Look at black pepper.
The white one?
Bring the black one. Just a little bit. Come on. She always put black pepper. Just a little tip, not a lot. Open the small pot. Not even want salt or anything, just put. Come on, little bit more. Just a little bit more. Alright, good. And give it back the spoon now. This spoon only use the one with the face. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm tasting my pasta salad. Mm, 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 mm. Let's go. Oh, take me to those outcome and finish. And here it is, guys. Hope you can see that the pasta salad is ready. All right. So I want to. So what you can do is scrape it to a smaller container. Take it back to my fridge. That can go in the fridge. We're gonna make the salad now. So let's see what the pea going on with over here. So he's almost finished cooking. Honestly, guys, you wanna try the Hey Craig in the house. Yeah, the pasta salad gonna be nicer tomorrow. Trust me. Oh, so I was telling the people them at my job that guys, this food when I'm cooking it with so much love. It's unbelievable. they they're not getting restaurant food, they're getting homemade, done with love with them in mind. And I said, oh, I'm calling all the names, in my right in my visual myself cooking it and all of them picturing them who am I gonna be serving this to tomorrow. You know? Even tomorrow, this thing nice tomorrow is everything gonna be so nice tomorrow. I did it the okay. You know what? Actually put it in a pot. In a pot and cook it. You know one of the pots that can hold it and cook it. Wanna taste the chicken, you know? Mm-mm. Even the chicken tastes good already. And trust me. Mm. Hey Tracy, Oh my God. Thank you, Gloria, to be hanging on while you're out. You can't hold it here.
One of those.
No, you cannot. You don't see how much there. Check it. You can't hold it here. No? You can't hold it here. Because I don't want that. That is hot. I thought you only one.
It's 2 pills.
It's two? Check it out. Hey guys, I'm still here. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for being hanging out in here. Chef, thank you for being here, man. So appreciative. What time is it now? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. It's 3 a.m. in the morning at Chef, you know. Thank you for being here. It's a lot of chicken, man. You know? Probably I'm gonna make that stay. Thank you guys. Wow. It's real that they can be in don't want to do. No one of those. It's going to hold. They're going to hold in one of those. Even this one, anyone, yeah. Cover it, don't mash it up. Present. All right, Ichigo. Present. You have to stay present, guys, to get some of this food, you know. Enough water for my peas. And no more water will be going into it. Hey, Makeup Ma'am, how are you? Welcome, Makeup Ma'am, and everybody else. Anybody I didn't see, thank you so much for coming and welcome. So, as my title say, I'm prepping for tomorrow. Make it cold. Every day. All right. So you know what's next? What's next? What's next? Why did I do this? So welcome. Hi, Craig. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome. Good to see you. Here I said, my love. Welcome, honey. Welcome. It's always a pleasure to see you. Life with Maker. Welcome again. Yes. Put the cover on it. Everything going good. the lettuce and cucumber for me, Shawnee. It's me and my sous chef, but she's camera shy. I don't know. Girl don't want to come on the camera. Really. Right. I don't know what that is. That's the one I bought today. I bought one today. I don't think that's. No, that's not it. You take it from. So look for it. Straight in the garden.
I'm showing it first.
I'm trying to spoil this time. I don't know. And give me tomato and everything. Welcome, guys. Appreciate you coming over to hang out with me. Yeah, man, chicken coming on nicely, but you can tell I'm gonna be in here long. I'm gonna be in here long. I'm gonna be in here long, honey. This is only this amount fry already. I'm gonna be in here long. All right. But thanks for keeping my company, guys. Some things are better done with company or team, you know? Make you feel that lonely, you know? I'm trying to coconut milk, please. I'm gonna put the coconut milk in so we can get the peas look like almost cooked. Thank you, Gloria. Thank you for being here. Miss Brown, everyone, thank you so much. Let this feel like it's a lot of peas anymore. It look like. All right. This is it now. This is it. So I'm gonna make this salad now, guys. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, it's only to put the rice in the pot. You know. Let's watch some lettuce. Oh, so I have something to show you guys. Where is it? Oh. have something to show you guys. So my sister, I asked her to trade me the cabbage, and she did. Nobody does it as good as my sister and my brother, like Denise and Kevin. They are the best. As nobody else does it like this. Look how beautiful this thread cabbage is. Nobody else does this. Look, she was so kind to thread this cabbage for me on my way from work. I pick it up. She's the best at doing it, and my little brother Kevin. They are so good. Even though Kevin said I teach him, but he's so good. All right, so let me drain my lettuce. All right. Oh, actually, you know what? What kind of stuff you take? Put it on this one. I have two towels. They are the best. Craig, I'm cooking and I'm excited when I'm cooking. I just go, oops, out. That's how I do it. All right, let me put this here for the time being. So I'm gonna make some platters and I'll leave back some home for dinner. So, see, where I work on the weekend, they keep telling me, make cook, 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 cook. So I just decided to cook. So I didn't know, I didn't have the energy. But guess what, guys? Because you are here, the energy just came. Yes. You guys are helping me with the energy. My energy level was so down, but it's back. Right now, it's back. Let's pray, stay there. Um, so my peas is cooking here. Ashani, give me coconut milk, please. That's gonna be the. You think you can fix the what you call it? The you think you can fix the opener? The other day was working though. I can't cut all of those. I can't cut all of those with I can't cut all of those with the knife. It's please with me. Yeah, eh? Give me some coconut milk. As I'm going to put it over there, make it cook down in there. Huh? About six. Eh? But the last time this worked, I don't know what happened today. Can I know the mood to cut them? Oh god, I need an opener. I want to go to bed at least 11 o'clock. Check my phone if you're running out of charge. Plug it in at home. It would take time out here run out of charge. I should check my phone and plug the charger in everything. Yes, yes, it's a long time. You know, stay long like except like the you know, stay long like the eh?
Something is wrong with it.
With what? Something is wrong with that? How much was it? How much? 25? guys. Nice. Let's see if we need all of this. All right, so salad over here. Thank you guys. I'm still here with you guys. I know you guys chit chatting around there, so thank you so much for keeping my company. I couldn't do this thing without you. There's no way I could. You're giving me all of that energy, and I'm so, so very grateful, guys. Where is it? Which one of which, this is the one you sent that good? Ah, to mix them? Yeah. So I'm gonna put the coconut milk in and let it cook until cook down a little bit in it, and then I can turn the fire off, and then tomorrow morning when I wake up, first thing I'm gonna um first thing when you turn it on, it cooks some more. But I'm gonna cook down the peas almost finished cook already. So I'm gonna put the coconut milk in there. But you know what? I wish I had an opener because this is killing my hands to open so much. I don't know why this not open. It's not spilling. These fancy looking stuff no good. Oh my god. Pray for me guys. Pray for me. Oh god. One gone. I'm starting out with 16s. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, if I need more, I'll add more. 16s is like three coconut, three. 16s of coconut milk is like three coconuts. That's me. That's how I feel. Because I think one coconut gives you like two things. Not all the time though. Depends. Oh my god, this is starting for myself, I need to get better. Oh yeah. This is the coconut milk. How it look in the tins. Hey, makeup man. So let's stay here and get warm up because it's steeping. And when you're doing the brownie, the chicken like this, you don't use no soya sauce and no brownie. You just use a natural. I'm not a brownie person anyway. I like, if I want to get something dark, I like a little soya sauce, not no brownie. Brownie is to bake cake. That's me though, that's me. Everybody has their preference. But I just believe it's to bake cake. I don't like that dark brown sugar thing. I didn't add any soy sauce or anything on this. I just doing them naturally. And then when I'm ready to cook down, I'll definitely put some a little soy sauce in. It's gonna be good. I can tell you that. That is what I can say as much. It's going to be good. Anybody there that I didn't say hi to, Ashani? So guys, if I didn't say hi to you, welcome, welcome to Jill in the kitchen. Thank you for being here. Yes, my girl, I sent iron your clothes, honey. I know you, and thank you so much. You're always supporting. Thank you so much. I said you should come pick up a dish tomorrow, girl. Cause I know we're not far enough. You tell me, I know we're not far. I'm going to work. I'm supposed to go to work at 7 tomorrow. So, let's see. I'm happy I turned my camera on today because you guys are bringing me through. You guys are truly amazing. God, no. You're very amazing. Miss Brown, you finished your prepping yet? So, guys, I was saying, it's it's better when we prep, like, especially when we have so much to cook. Cut up the onion, cut up the carrot, just prep and make the cooking much more smooth. Okay, so just trying to melt my Albert Miranda. Hey Albert, welcome, welcome Albert. Good to see you. Thank you so much for tuning in, Albert. What's up? How is your morning going? It's 9 after 9 where you are right now in the morning. How is it going with you? I'm getting hot up in here, guys. Happy Sabbath to you too, Miss Facing with Reality. Thank you so much, Saint Traffic Honey. You know how it goes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, remember to give me the like, please. Share me out if you can. Keep the chat active. I know, right? So you get company, Miss Brown. It's good, yeah. The live give you that little energy too. Sweet potato, how are you? Welcome, welcome. I love that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. I really, truly appreciate you guys. So these are my coconut milk, guys. And if you see, I love the grace. Because you know I'm not greater than any coconut. Well, you don't have to grate it. You can put it in the blender. But this workout that's good for me. So I'm gonna pop them in my piece. Yeah. Look over here. All right. Yeah. Good. Oh, a good thing I wash this chili. It's a good thing you wash off the tin. So right there and then, guys, I'm gonna drop in some scallion and I'm gonna drop in some thyme. And listen, you don't have to cut up nothing. Just gonna cook all night, all day. So I just put them in the pot. A whole bunch. A scallion, putting some thyme in the pot. Can you see? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna leave this to cook. We're gonna cook the rice and peas tomorrow. So I love to season my rice and peas with easy spice all-purpose seasoning or meat seasoning. I don't see the all-purpose. All I have is the meat, and I'm gonna put the meat in there. But it's good to do. Angie, how are you, honey? Welcome, welcome, honey. Welcome. Good to see you. I'm gonna season with this meat seasoning. I leave it there to boil. Anything else? I like when the meat season cook down in it. I don't like to put it in. Just put the meat seasoning in and then put the rice. I like it cook out so you don't taste it. You know it's nice and seasoned well, but you don't taste the seasoning. So if you don't cook it out, then you will taste it. This already tastes good. Not finished cooked yet. Peas cooked. So I'm gonna let the coconut cook down somehow into it. And I'm gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper and all of that in it too. But let this cook down for the time being. Hey, Miss Brown. Miss Brown said, but I can't see. But I'll check it later because I'm on the phone. Oh, maybe I should have put it in. Getting, I'm getting there, guys. And thank you all so much for tuning in. I thank you so much. If you're on your computer or laptop, You get a good see. That just the phone is when you're on the phone you don't see that much. But yeah, we're getting there. Getting there. Hey Angie, how is your Saturday going? Your Saturday night going? Okay. All right. So I'm good. I'm on my way. Doing good on my way. I'm so good. MNT Live Cooking. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you get the chance to come over here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as you see, my topic was I'm prepping for tomorrow. I'm gonna make platters for my job tomorrow, so I am prepping from now. So I have my rice, my peas cooking with my coconut milk. I already made my pasta salad, and I'm frying the chicken to cook it down in the morning, and I'm gonna make my salad now. I was showing off my shredded cabbage. I know nobody does it so nice. My sister did it for me and she did a wonderful job. So really nice and fine. I could have not done it as good as she did. So guys, this is it. Yeah. All right, so that's what we're gonna make the tossed salad. That's why I'm not even telling me out here. You're not even telling me anybody's here. You have to tell me when somebody new come so I can at least greet them. Some of my chicken is already brown, some of it. Okay, honey. Yeah, and yeah, nice. Ooh, those colors is so pretty. All right, we're doing. I'm gonna do this now. Cutting up some. I hope you can see me here. Oh yeah. What about here? This is good. Yeah. Now, sharpening my knife. I'm over here. Over here. Sharpening my knife. So I'm just doing some lettuce to put in my salad. I like to cut it like this, making a nice tossed salad. To give it some greenery. Actually, come here, I need something from it. We have some pepper in the fridge, some red, yellow, and then color pepper. Please take out for me some small ones. Ashani, hear me? Eh? Ashani, why you not answering me? Answer. Take out some scotch bonnet. Not scotch bonnet, some. Bell peppers are some small ones. Good. Only that? No red one? I just yellow? Yellow?
No. Oh, yeah, you got it. Oh my goodness.
Maybe I don't need any red, but put it on. So guys, what's good? What's going on? I'm sorry I can't so much talking because I'm cooking, but I truly really appreciate you guys hanging out here. See who is here. Um, MNT, I'm sure you can smell it because I make sure I season up all that good so you can stay wherever you are, Australia, Jamaica, Texas, Miami, of course, all over the place. You can stay wherever you are and smell it. So I make sure I did real good seasoning. Yeah. I want to cut it really fine. I like when I play with me, man. Cheer me out, guys. If you can, please cheer me out. So Monique always makes this salad for me when she's not around. So so guys, I learned this a long time ago. Anything that you are in, any business, you should be able to do all aspects of the business because one day maybe your worker don't turn up and you can close the business down. I learned that a while ago because my two daughters, whenever I'm cooking like this, one of my daughters makes the corn salad, one makes the pasta salad, and they are very good at doing it. And now one of them is away, it's not not in the country, and the other one said that makes the pasta salad said, "Oh, I'm busy today. I can't help you, mommy." So it's the wonderful thing that I was able to do it myself. It was a wonderful thing that I taught them. I was the one who teach them to do these things and teach them the way I want it. So now that they are not here, I have to pull out that part of me that I wasn't using. I wasn't making the salad because they were always here making it. So now that they are not here, I have to pull out that part. So I always learned this from a long time ago that any business you're in, you should be able to do every aspect of it. So long story short, a long time ago, I own a restaurant before, but that's not even about the restaurant. That's another story. But this part was I actually had a mini underwear factory back in my country, Jamaica. And I hate sewing. If anybody asks me if a button fell from my clothes, I'm not gonna be wearing that clothes. I'm gonna put it down because I'm not gonna put the button back on. But I did operate underwear factory, and when I went into this business, I went and learned machine operating course. So I remember hiring one young lady for like I pay her in our house like for 3 months before she start working with me, just to have her because I need somebody who has experience in working in the that kind of garment factory, and somebody told me, and I went to look up for her, pay her until I actually set up my business. So and so I had my business going really good, and somebody I knew who was I was trying to help out. That's why you can't bring anybody into your business. So this person I was trying to help out. So whenever I have like they call seconds, like when the big factories, the big not factories, the big stores that I used to sell to, if it's not good for them and they're seconds, then I would give it to her and she would go to the market like Falmouth Market and sell them. Because she needed the help too, you know. She wanted something and she come to me about that because nothing was going on for her at that time. So I give it to her and she keep on doing it for a while. But she used to come. I was the one who going out to do the sales, to meet people and to show my sample and to get orders to come back. And she always there whenever I'm not there. You know, whenever she goes sell and come back, she's always there. It so happened that she had a man who has some money and she told the man about the business and he opened one similar business like mine. And on Monday morning when I went to work to start operating or to start preparing my order for the weekend to take out, my major person wasn't there. She left. The girl took her, offered her a little bit more than I was paying her. And people are not loyal. People are loyal to money, not to people. So she went, and so help I could do it myself. She used to be the one that put the elastic onto the panty waist and to the legs or what. She was the elastic machine operator. And I'm telling you, I have ordered for 600 dozen here, 300 dozen here, that there. And there was no work there. So I learned that from a long time that anything I'm doing, I must be able to be helped to do it. I must be able to know how. So I know that. And I left and open a restaurant. I mean, I could tell the chef to leave because I could do the work. So right. So anything that you're going into, make sure you are the head cook and the bucket washer because people will leave you stranded. And saying this is, so I'm cooking and I'm happy that I could make the macaroni salad and the tossed salad. you know, so and sometimes things happen in a life to build you up, to make you strong, to make build character in you as a person. Because you can't put you can't put your people give you the money because normally when I go out take orders, people will pay me like 50% on whatever they are ordering. Say for instance they order me 300 dozen, they're gonna give me whatever I was selling it for. Say I was selling it for $2,000 for argument's sake. They'll have to pay me $1,000. So I already have some of their money. Nobody there to do the job because my major person left. But I was happy that I went and learned the course myself, and I used to help doing it too. As I used to do all the cutting. I make all the patterns and do all the cutting. So I was happy. So this is the saying that, you always have to be the one in your business. You have to know every corner of the business because people will walk out on you. Yeah? People not going to remember that you're helping them. They're just going to get jealous of you. And if you can be, they can be too. And nothing is wrong, of course. Everybody needs to do something, but at the same time, you do it with some principle, and some integrity. Yeah. Even if you're in a job and you're gonna leave as you are comfortable with the job, give your boss some notice, regardless. Regardless that they probably treat you bad and then you're very unhappy, but for your sake. Give them some notice, tell them that you need it. Don't just walk away from them that because there's something in karma, you know? And it's not and karma is no joke, it's for real. Karma is for real. Whatever you dish out, you can get it back. Don't walk out and step up to the job and say, oh, them keep me on go back. You wait, man. Give them notice, you know? Give them notice. You never know. Might go somewhere else and somebody from that same job you walk up into. Yeah. So, you know, play your cards right. We're getting there, guys. I am hot. You could tell that. I'm so hot in here. I don't like to turn the AC on because it makes so much noise and because I'm talking. I don't want. As I have the fan on and I need to turn it off too, right? I don't like the sound. But we get in there. Hey Angie, how is the shopping going? How are you feeling though? How is everything with you? And the last time you said something about pain. How is the pain? Good. It is here. Okay, thank you, MNT. Thank you so much for sharing me out. Yes, Angie, that's how it is, Miss Brown. Yeah, life, you know. Everybody has a story just because it's not being told. But everybody got a story somewhere or the other. I feel like in Mama kitchen on a Sunday morning when she cooked that kind of chicken here. The only difference is she never used to cut them up. She cooked the whole length of the whole with there. But this is it used to be a traditional thing for Jamaican to cook the rice and peas and the figure chicken on a Sunday. Yeah, it was a traditional thing. Thank you guys. I am cooking up a storm up in here in the place here is hot. And the coconut, the rice and peas is cooking over here. Well, look in the pot, the rice and peas pot over there. Let's see. It's doing good. It smells good. It's red. It has milk in it. It's good. Yep. Alright, so it's doing good. I can turn that one off. And I'm still making my salad. So this so far we're going with the salad. We're gonna put the other stuff in. We're we're gonna put tomato in that and finish it up. You know, I'm doing a cucumber. Come over here with me. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, MNT, for being here. Thank you for sharing me out. Miss Brown, thank you so much. Angie, everybody's here. Thank you so much. You're keeping my company. And I'm so blessed to have you. I'm truly appreciative of you guys. Truly appreciate. You give me energy. I don't know what your mommy doing. When I start making enough money, some money from YouTube, I'll buy myself some great knives. These knives ain't nothing but noise. No man. Noise, noise, noise. They're not sharp and I was so excited when I bought these knives, but they ain't good. They make noise too. When you put them down, they make. I don't like it. Okay. A lot of salad. And I like colors. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I like colors, so I'm gonna add some yellow peppers. I like my thing to be colorful. Yeah. Really thin, right? Cut them really thin. on threading these things, make them really thin. And when your knife is sharp, it's better too. You know, it's even better, it's less dangerous when your knife is sharp than when it's dull. Because when it's dull, it tends to slip and it really cut you and damage you. When it's sharp, it don't slip. It goes right there. It's right on the target. But when it's dull, you're always dolly all over the place. Dolly. Yes, guys, we getting here. With your help. How we all doing? How is everyone? Hi, Lisa J. Jax. Socks. Oh, sorry. Lisa J. Socks. How are you? Welcome, honey. Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. It's because I'm cooking, but I really truly appreciate you. I appreciate every moment you spend here, every second, every minute. Angie, I know you know how the thing go, right? You know exactly what's going down. You know what's going down, Angie. Okay, so we're gonna do some tomatoes. This, the guys, the kitchen smells good. Oh my God, it smells so good. This kitchen smells so good with this chicken. All right, so I'm gonna do the tomato, but I'm gonna cut the inner part out, and I'm gonna save this for my chicken. I'm gonna save the inner part to put inside of my brown the chicken when I cook it down tomorrow morning. And I'm gonna cut this and put in the vegetable without the inside, with it, no seeds, no inside part. All the inside out. And we'll throw it out. I'm gonna cook it. Because I don't like cooking tomato sauce. I like cooked with tomato, not the sauce. I don't like tomato sauce. No, I don't like ketchup. No, I don't. I don't like cooked with ketchup. I won't put any ketchup in nothing that I cook. No people like ketchup, but I don't like it, so maybe because I don't like it, I don't cook with it. They can give food a nice color, but for me, I don't like ketchup too bad. So I'm almost done with my. Everything is going on good, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Is there anybody I didn't say hi to? Hey, Ricky, you paid out for your food. Thank you so much for the super chat. Super chat, super chat. Jewel, get a super chat. Super chat, super chat. You know I like super chat. Thank you, Richie. Super chat. Thank you. I have a plate for you, Ricky. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. To get a super chat. Thank you. You didn't tell me I got a super chat. Thank you so much. Ricky, you know you're going to get a big plate for that. Long time, Ricky. What's up with you? Long time, long time. You good? How is your Saturday going? How is your Saturday going, man? Yeah, guys. So, chicken burning. Oh my God, I feel so good. I feel so good. I'm getting there. I get the energy. At first, I was thinking, oh my God, I'm not going to get any help. Nobody to make the macaroni salad, nobody to make the tossed salad. Where am I going to get the energy from? Guys, you gave me the energy here. And to be honest, a couple days ago, I was so out. I didn't have no energy. The phone was ringing next door to me, and I wasn't expecting to get it. I feel burned. So I'm drinking, but I know I'm a little bit anemic, and I haven't been taking any iron. So I guess I'm so, no, iron depleted right now. So I didn't go do a blood test yet to make sure my iron is up there, but I feel it. I feel like my iron is way down. Because I was going like this. Even with this, I don't know how I do it. Because these people ask me like about 3 weeks now, and I say, oh, this is the week. So, I'm a woman of my word. Whenever I make promises, I like to fulfill because I really don't like making promises. I really don't. I like to say, let me think about it again. If I make you and tell you, say, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. So I hardly make promises because I like to stand up to my words. So I don't like make promises. I don't want to take up more than I can manage. But to be honest, if you, I try, I'm going to show you something. So I used to take this before. If anybody can read it, I used to take this before for my energy for iron. It's iron and herbs and it's vegetarian and it used to help me. So I just decided to buy this again and try it and I'm doing a much little bit better than how I felt since I started taking it. And I just started taking it since Friday. No, Thursday. So I feel like, it's kind of, it's my iron. So I'm trying to work on the iron. I'm gonna go further down tonight. I'm gonna tell you guys about it again. If if I Hey Monica and Dory. Is Dory? Oh, yeah, Monica and Dory. Dory. Hey, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Amy, she's still hanging around here. Thank you so much. Yeah, man, a big things going on up here, Ricky. Big things. Big things of one for you, Julie. Oh my God, don't mash up. This noise is bad. Sorry. Big things are going on with you. Big things. Put some more chicken in. Salad mix, macaroni salad mix. Peas cook, coconut are cooked down in the peas. Everything is looking good. So I do those things, those stuff like that. Yeah, man, big things going on over here. Hey, I sent you still, you finish ironing? Okay, so this, oh, don't go over there, go over, oh, wrong place. So saving this inside of the tomato to go inside my two chicken when I cook it down tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and finish it. Yep. So share me out, guys. If you get tired, some other people come, you know. And remember to give me that like. Remember to thumbs up. Sometimes I tend to forget to until somebody says it. They always give me a bit of thumbs up, then I remember, so I have to go give the thumbs up. Sometimes I go to live and forget to until somebody say, remember the thumbs up. So even me have to be reminded sometimes. Hey, Margaret Smith. Welcome, welcome, Margaret. So good to see you. I was thinking about you maybe a week ago. So I was going to give you a shout out. I don't know what happened, but as I said, I wasn't feeling myself. It's today, honestly to God, maybe it's the cooking and the energy from you guys. I feel a little bit better today. But my energy level was so down, man. You know, I was just in there, doing what I have to do, go to work. But coming home, I'm like this. I said, I'm not getting old, but boy, this old, drop down like this. Yeah, so good to see you, Margaret. I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday night. Good, 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 good to see you. I really was thinking about you. And this is going to, this is serious. I was thinking, because I haven't seen you a bit, you know? And I was thinking, hope you're doing well. So thank you so much for showing up. And I'm just prepping over here for some platters I'll be making tomorrow morning before I go to work at 7 o'clock. So I'm kind of just preparing it. So tomorrow morning I don't have all of the work. You know, I'm making the salad. You know, I'm gonna. This can't turn off. I could fry some more chicken over there. Fry some more to fry. Good to see you, Miss Margaret, Lady Margaret. Really nice to see you. I hope you're okay though. I hope all is well. You're keeping good health. I have so much comment to answer to, but I was really down, man. Really down. I was just going to work though, honestly. I was so, my body was so weak. I'm trying to, why is this not, you're not charging? Check this out for me, not charging. Ashani, Ashani, I changed my battery. I don't know. Sorry guys, let's see. This is, let's put this up here. Ashani, this can't charge it. No, not the, bring the charger. Let me that part. It's not working. This charger stuff. Let's send my is going. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. It's not charging. And I can't see whether it's charging or so. Sorry guys. Check it. This, you can come with your it's, no, the other one it was there and it wasn't working with it. Attorney, you're not listening though. That was, it's just a one day and I realized it wasn't charging while I was trying. Put on some fuel, my I said put on some fuel, I know if I could. I don't know why not charging. It's a battery. No, I just put it on. It wasn't there all the time.
Where did you get this charger?
It's carried in.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
But actually, it wasn't working before. I just took it just now. Since you said that. Tell me how much minutes is on.
It's working right now.
Tell me one. Eh? So why is the battery low? Eh? It wasn't charging. Ashani. Oh my God. Ashani. Ashani. You close out the line. You just come here, come shut it down. Sorry guys, that's so fun guys. Oh, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Mama, all you have to do is slide up your phone.
You should leave it like that, Shani. I don't know why you hide from the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. You see, I'm not that technical. I don't know why Ashani hiding from the camera. Sorry, guys. Sorry. You're in darkness just now. You like the big pot, them Ricky? Give me big stove, brother. These stove didn't make for them big pots. Yeah, they didn't make for it. All right, guys. So the salad here. If you can see the salad, I hope you can see it. That's the salad. That's the tossed salad, guys. Trying to finish off the chicken now. Quite a bit left. Quite a bit. I have a plan. I think I'm gonna take the pad off. Okay, guys. Sorry. Hi, Mia. Who did I miss? Okay, Mia. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have yourself a restful night. I know how it feel when you come home from work tired. I know, I understand. Take your time, just like Ricky said, take your time. Take your time. I have yourself a restful night, Mia. God bless. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. So, guys, last look and my salad. I hope you guys can see it, right? I hope so. Very nice. Miss Margaret. Oh yeah, salad looks good. All right, so I need to put it in something. You have to put it in a stuff we can hold in there. And I have a plan. Tomorrow I might be cooking some rice for this in case I need more rice. So let's see. Hi. Hi guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Right. And doing good up here. So I'm good. Everything is working out nicely, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That salad is made. My everything is good. Salad made. Everything is done. I am so proud of us. I am so proud of us, guys. So, so proud of us. Let me clean up a little bit now. Oh my God, I'm so good. My salad is already made. My pasta is already made. I'm so proud. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You give me strength. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much for helping me going through this. Thanks, thanks, thanks. So, so I'm really pretty. guys. Miss Brownie finished cook. Keisha. Keisha, how are you? What is this? Keisha cream? Princess. Oh, Keisha. Oh, that's Keisha. Hey, Keisha, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Guys, if you're wearing moderator, say welcome to my guests, them guys, please. I miss some of them, I know I miss. Because I have to be focusing on this. So I get the party going, over. So guys, welcome. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys. For any minute you spend here, you spend all the time here. I respect and I appreciate. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for the energy. Thank you so much. I have a long good week away, finished frying out the chicken. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know. Hello. Hey, Craig. You're still here. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here. So I'm finished making my salad, making my pasta salad done made, my macaroni salad, my peas cook, my coconut cook. So chicken all frying. I have quite a bit more left to fry, but so far we fry. I have more fry over here. We have a lot of fry. Still have more to fry. We do a little cleaning up in the meanwhile. I'm hot. I'm hot up in here. Very hot. Mhm. H-Boo in the house. Miss Brown, you finished cook, right? You finished? You finished your prepping? Miss Brown, you finished prepping? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a chance up in here. See if I can do it. If I can rest it on this, I don't know. I'm gonna take a chance, man. I'm gonna take a chance. Woo! That was heavy. So that's the. So I can use that. But guess not. I'm gonna kind of push the kind of speed up this thing now so I can finish frying. I'm gonna fry some in here. I have this amount left to fry. So I'm gonna see if we can take away this. Now that part was scraping the countertop, so I need this. Why is tight? Oh, of course, Keisha. Anytime, anytime you're welcome to get some food from my house. Anytime. Keisha, you let too far, man. Come on. So, guys, Keisha, you're always cooking. You're cooking tonight. You're always cooking. What cooking for dinner tomorrow? Ricky, what you cooking for dinner? I fry some more chicken over there. What my glasses is. Let's see. You see, I like with this now. It's sealing all the seasoning. You know, when you cook it down like this, and then fry it, and then seal it. So this don't need no whole heap of cooking down now, you know, when you finish this. Annie's Kitchen and Urban Homestead. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. And I know you live in Connecticut. Welcome, welcome, Annie's Kitchen. Thank you so much for coming through. Truly appreciate your presence. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Monica, hi. I'm sitting down a little bit, guys. My legs got really tired. Thank you, Miss Margaret. Thank you, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much. Ericy, right? Of course. Right, I think you cook for the week. Good girl. True, man. Because when you finish work, you can't do anything else. You're just tired. You just feel worn out. In this America. Yeah. Oh my God, you're the sheet, Monica. I know you smell it. Honestly, I know you smell it. I know you smell it right from under your sheet. Mm-mm-mm. happen. Okay. Monica. So Miss Monica, are you here? Not Miss Monica, Miss Margaret, are you here? How are you doing? I didn't remember. I asked, but I don't remember what you said. I hope you're doing well. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much, guys. Share me out so I get some more thumbs up. Guys, I hope you remember to thumbs up the live. Make it to 50, please. Give me 50 thumbs up, guys. At least 50. At least 50 thumbs up. Share me out so let me finish off in good style. What is that? Monica said she have chicken wing season from last week. That well seasoned, Monica. That well seasoned. So, we're getting there, guys. Thank you for hanging on here. Okay, yes, Miss Jill is here doing great. Thank you. Oh, I'm so happy that you're doing wonderful, Miss Lady Margaret. Thank you. All right. still frying from two pots now to get it going. So welcome everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you're in the background watching, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in to Jill in the Kitchen Cooking Show. And we're cooking as we're prepping for tomorrow, guys. Um, so what I'm doing here now is I'm just cutting up some tomatoes. And I'm gonna cut some onion. I washed my cutting board and put them away and forgot that I did. I'm just gonna cut them the way Mama used to cut it on her hand. Because I forgot and I put away my cutting board. This is what we're gonna put on the meat, the chicken tomorrow morning. And I'm ready to cook it down. I'm just cutting up some stuff. So tomorrow morning I don't have to do any cutting up. All of these gonna be ready on it. Bigger morning that I had a big bowl, but that's not big enough. So I have to change it. happened? Live studio?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, let me get this. Pick on somebody else.
I'm gonna see.
Huh?
I can find somebody by this.
Oh, sorry about that, guys. The phone gets hot just like the kitchen. Sorry about that. Thanks for staying. Wow. I don't know. Almost finished frying now, guys. I've never seen it before that the thing gets so hot. Okay, good night, Monica. Come up under your sheet. That means where you are not cold if you're using a sheet. That means you're warm where you are. Even though I use sheets too, I don't like hot. It's my so I don't like comforter and all of that. I like this cool sheet. But thank you so much for hanging out. So make sure you get yourself a restful night, okay? Say your prayers and go to bed. We're getting there, guys. Thanks for this. I am so happy. When I'm finished here, I'm going to take a shower and go to have a peaceful night rest. I wake up early tomorrow morning and finish the party. Everything is good. This is a packet that I'm cooking tomorrow. Maybe. No, I don't think so. I'm going to put it down in that. smells so good. All right, almost done. Just a few pieces left to fry. So happy. I don't understand why I don't have the right charger. Almost finished, guys. Almost finished. 3 hours. So I put some scotch bonnet pepper. I need the smell of the scotch bonnet into this. I'm not making it too hot, but put some pepper. Some more garlic. Almost finished. It's 3 hours of cooking. And then I'm done. I mean, I'm gonna have to finish it up tomorrow morning, but that's okay. Sometimes I'm making everything easy for tomorrow morning. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I am so happy you joined me. So happy. All right, so I have it like that. So everything is prepped, guys. Thank to you guys. So this is my onion and my tomato and my pepper and my scallion and my thyme. Everything done. This is what we're going to put on it tomorrow to cook it up. Hey, Andre Davis. Andrew. Sorry, Andrew. How are you? All right. Guys, almost over the party. I'm so happy. I kind of get so far. Thank you so much, ISN. Have a wonderful, restful night. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you. Almost done, guys. Hey, good night, Miss Margaret. Thank you so much for coming in. See you soon. Have a restful night. God bless. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your energy. Okay. It's all good. Oh no, it's done. So guys, it's almost it's done, done, done. Just a little bit left in the pot. Wow, and we did it. 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 All things Anna. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for calling in. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. How are you doing, all things Anna? We did it. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. We did it. Good God. Oh my, we did it. We all did it. Guys, We did it without a doubt. Hi, Karen. How are you, honey? How are you doing? Thank you so much for passing through. Remember to give me the like, guys. Make me 50 thumbs up, guys. Please send me 50 thumbs up. I just need 8 more. 8 more thumbs up to go, guys. And we're gonna go soon. In another 9 minutes, I go. So, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for being here with me. Because, guys, you give me the energy. I couldn't do this without you, honestly. Because I was really thinking about it hard. Oh my God, how am I going to do it? I don't have no help. It's just me alone and I'm tired. Those were all the stuff going through my head. But you bring me through. So remember, guys, you are amazing. Thank you so much, so much. You really are. You rock. Guys, you rock. Because I haven't had a live in a long time. And to say I just put it up today and you guys just come through. We really, truly appreciate you guys. Truly appreciate it. You guys just come through and just help me come through. So I'm so happy. Thank you, honey. I'm happy that you are fine, Miss Karen. Tomorrow, Ricky, you know it's not tonight, it's already. You know it's here tomorrow morning. So, you know what you do? You come piece of bun and mix little sugar and water until tomorrow morning. Alright, sir? Because we're not ready tonight. It's tomorrow morning. Never finish the cooking. Never put the rice in the pot. Never cook down the meat. Tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Yep. Tomorrow morning, guys, the party. But I'm so, so very, honestly, I'm so, so very grateful because I just couldn't do this by myself. Because, as I said before, my energy level was so out. I didn't know I could come through at 11:24. So, guys, in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to say good night and I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart that you've been here to push me through. You know, a lot of time we need that push. I did need that push. So, I said, you know what, let me turn my camera on and do it with the folks. People of my community, my friends, my family, my YouTube family. So, guys, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Because I came from work. I worked all this time. I worked Sunday. What day it went through? I was at work Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm working 7 days straight, non-stop. Yeah. All right. Everything is done. Everything is done, done, done. Yeah. Everything is done, guys. Done, done, done. I done some chicken. Everything. Eagles on a chicken. more than enough, guys. More than enough. I'm gonna cover them up here. Good. Some of them are that way. You don't want Dr. Ricky cheer, you know. I don't want to show away Ricky cheer. And cover this until tomorrow morning. Ooh, to get burn me. I forgot the pot was hot. Like, oh, they have iron hand. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this up until tomorrow morning. We finish the party. Have two pieces fall off on the ground here. Throw them away the garbage. Alright. Finish wash up and say good night. I'm gonna cool down a little bit and then take my shower and go sleep until tomorrow. Say my prayer, ask the Lord to give me strength tomorrow morning to go to work. Finish it, make the food nice and delicious, make the people them happy, and have a good day at work. Come back home and I leave work at 3:30 tomorrow. Come back home, take some rest, and the next day on my regular job. And I need the strength. All right, so here we are, finishing up. Guys, you even stay and help me tidy up. Wow, guys, you bad. You guys are the best. Who's here? Ricky, Ayasent, you didn't gone? You're still here, honey? Ayasent, Miss Brown, Ricky, Margaret, Care, Ma, is it Mo, Marcia? Oh my God, I forgot. So, guys, everybody that spent time here with me today, Greg, are you there? Greg, thank you so much for coming. Truly, truly appreciate you. Yeah, Carrie, you're here. Thank you so much, guys. Finish. Well, it's almost finished. Not finished, but the best part, the heaviest part is over. Tomorrow morning is just to put back the pot with the rice pot on, the coconut milk pot with the with the peas on, make it boil up some more, then put my rice in and give it time to cook and cook down my chicken. We're already brown. It's just to make that sauce and let the chicken soak in it a little bit. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. I truly, truly, truly appreciate you guys. As I said, I didn't have the energy. You give me some energy, people. Yeah. Salad mix, chicken fry. Wow, flashing water. Everything is good. I don't know why I didn't turn this thing on. I don't know why I'm making that sound. I didn't turn on anything here. So much grease and the stove. That's one thing with frying is grease. Grease. Oh yeah. The only thing I have left, guys, is to wipe the kitchen floor, wash the kitchen floor, and ask to take my shower and go to bed. Well, I'm not going until you say goodbye. Oh, you're so sweet. I said you're so sweet. You are the best. So to now, guys, it's my time. Guys, I just want to say thank you one more time because honestly, your present did a whole lot for me. Your present give me some energy, and I said it a million times because it's true. There was no energy. I honestly, to God, I don't know. I get a fresh burst of energy when I turn my camera on and people were hearing. So give me that energy because I didn't know how I was gonna make it through. So I just want to thank you so much for being here. I thank you, and I'm gonna say goodbye because I want you to go to bed and get some rest because I know how important rest is before you go to work the next day. So I just want to say thank you so much one more time for being here. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember to always cook with love. Even if you don't have seasoning, just cook it with love. So, God, guys, God bless you. Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful night, and I'll see you in my next live, my next video, or somebody else live or somebody else premiere. So, be good to yourself. And remember, be good. You are first, right? You don't have the energy you can't give. You have to, put something back. Take care of yourself. Because if you don't take care of yourself, no one else is gonna do that. So thank you. God bless you. Have yourself a wonderful night. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ricky, I'm gonna keep you a plate. So thank you so much. I said have yourself a wonderful night. Miss Brown, good night. Lisa D, hi, good night. What are you cooking? Oh, so Lisa, I am prepping. Tell them I'm prepping because I'm prepping for tomorrow. So I made some fried chicken. I'm gonna cook down. It's not really fried chicken. I just browned some chicken to do some cook down tomorrow morning. Some rice and peas. I made some um, pasta salad, and I made some whole tossed salad. So that's what I'm gonna finish tomorrow morning by 6 o'clock before I go to work at 7. So thank you so much for tuning in. And I want to thank you guys so much one more time. You are amazing. You did it with me. So thank you so much. Ricky, thank you. Ayesen, thank you. Miss Brown, thank you. Carol, Lisa D, Mitchie Boo, Margaret, all the names that I forgot. Guys, I just want to thank you so much. Craig, I want to thank you so much for being here. This is the first time I've seen you here and you being a trooper. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have yourself a wonderful night. I'll catch you later, someplace, somehow. All right? Take care of your good self. Yeah, guys, have a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Don't work too hard tomorrow, I said. Because I'm going to try not to work too hard. I mean, it's always, I don't care how I try, it's not easy, but I'm going to try. So God bless. Have yourself a wonderful night. Ricky, you have so much energy. It's unbelievable. But thank you, guys. Miss Brown, where are you? Thank you, everyone. Margaret, thank you, honey. Thank you for all the lovely people who passed by. Anna, all things Anna, thank you so much, everyone. Miss Margaret, Ricky cooking with Miss Brown. Um, Deflection was here. I didn't even know that he was here. Deflection. Thank you so much, Deflection, Monica and Dart. Thank you so much, Moochie. Thank you so much. What's your name again? I always be Anna. Mecca. Mecca. Thank you so much. Monica. Thank you. Everyone, thank you so much. God bless. Have yourself a wonderful night. Take care of yourself and I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Bye guys. Take care. Why this thing still making sound? I didn't know. Turn off. Why is it? I don't know. It tuning by itself. Bye bye. I dropped this. I didn't realize that I dropped it. Okay, thank you, Greg. You guys are still here. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you, Greg. You guys are still here. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so good night. I'll keep you guys can stay and say good night and goodbye until everybody leave. Okay? Okay, so good night. You guys can stay and say good night and goodbye. cool down this place. Hold it up. Water. Hey, Joyful Joy. Good night, good night, good night. How are you? Thanks for passing through. Just leave me that thumbs up, okay, Joy? Then leave me that thumbs up. Okay, I'm gonna close now, guys. So have yourself a wonderful night, a wonderful Sunday, and a restful tonight. Yes. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you all. Have a safe day tomorrow if you're going to work. Take it easy. Take care of yourself. And remember, as always, cook with love. Bye. I'm going to turn you off now. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Cooking with Miss Brown. Good night. Have a good rest. Yes, darling. I'm going to take my shower now. And I'm going to take my shower and go sleep. I'm going to turn on the water now. So, guys, I'm going to turn the camera off. So, if you want to stay and say goodbye until everybody says goodbye, then it's okay. All right. Have a great night, guys. Catch you later. Hey, J-Tab. Bye. Have a good one, okay? Take care of yourself. Have a good night. Have a good rest. See you tomorrow or whenever when. So, J-Tab, check you out. All right, Miss Brown, you're going to bed now to go to church tomorrow. Cool, nice. Say a word for me, okay? Bye bye. See you guys. I just don't like turn off, shut you off when somebody's still on. But guys, good night. Bye. Bye bye. Take care.